Okay, this FTX one is for sale. We just did a complete factory reset for it. I'm gonna walk you guys through how I test the radio before I get rid of it. So we'll start on 40 meters, lower sideband. We're gonna be looking at average power on the meter, should be around 10 watts. Hello. And we'll go ahead and turn it to peak. Right where it needs to be. This is into a dummy load. 30. Right where it needs to be. 20. 10 watts as it's supposed to. 17. Just like it's supposed to. Here we are at 15. Perfect. 12. This is just how I go. You can go through, test it on CW. I like to do it on sideband because this is 9 times out of 10 how most people are going to check it. Hello 10, hello 10. Right where we need to be. 50. Hello, hello, hello. 10 watts. All right, 80. We didn't check that one. Hello. Works fine. All right, that was 160. Here's 80. 80. Hello. Work just like it's supposed to. It's not gonna. We're not on the channel, so this one's not gonna transmit on 60. Back to 70. 40. I mean, sorry. Okay, we got that set up. Let's swap around to the other meter so we can check 440 and 140. Okay, so now we're set up. We're going to test 440 and 140. So let's look at it. 10 watts, right where we need to be, 15 watt scale. And then we'll jump to 2 meters. We'll go click through all the bands on the sub. Oh, there we go. And let's test it. Hello, 1, 2, 3. Hello, 1, 2, 3. Right where we need to be. 10 watts. Guys, this is how I test the radio, especially if I haven't used it in a little bit before I sell it. In this case, I have used it. I knew everything worked, but I just wanted to show it off and show you guys what fully testing a radio looks like before you sell it. This radio has been factory reset. It's going away in the original packaging with its original stuff. Here is the serial number and stuff on it. So whoever gets it can double check it, make sure it's the right one. 73, guys. Thanks for watching.